Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to log in Microsoft Outlook email on desktop. First, opens the Google Chrome browser. In the address bar, outlook.com is typed, and enter is pressed. The official Microsoft Outlook landing page loads. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. The Microsoft login interface appears. The user enters their existing email address into the field. Click Next to proceed. To verify the account, the user clicks on Send Code. Once the 6-digit verification code is received via the linked Gmail, it is entered into the Enter Code box. Click Sign In. An Add an Email window appears, asking the user to create a new Outlook address. The user tries a few usernames. After finding that one is taken, they eventually settle on a unique ID. The checkbox for I would like information, tips, and offers is ticked. Click Next. A Stay Signed In? Prompt appears. The user clicks Yes to ensure they remain logged in on this browser. The page redirects to the Outlook dashboard. The inbox is now fully accessible, showing folders like Inbox, Drafts, and Sent items on the left sidebar. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.